Assalamu alaikum. Her name is Shahend, and she's Ahmadi for 1.5 years.
Where is she from?
Morocco. She comes from Morocco.
Morocco, acha. 1.5 years. She's the only one in her family who accepted Ahmadiyya?
Oui, c'est ça.
Yes, she's the only one.
Mon mari est Ahmadi. Il s'appelle Rafat Youssouf.
Her husband is also Ahmadi, and his name is
Rafat Youssouf.
Rafat Youssouf.
Yeah.
Acha, she speaks French?
Yes, she's speaking French.
Yeah.
Do you know French?
Myself, yes, Alhamdulillah, Hazur. I know some French.
You learned French from your husband?
From my mother-in-law, I learned French. She comes from Mauritius, and Alhamdulillah, I learned also in school. I had a good teacher, Alhamdulillah, may Allah bless him.
Acha, mashallah. Acha, right. Now today, yes. What do you say?
Je veux juste dua pour moi, pour ma famille, pour mon mari.
Okay. All right. Allah Ta'ala bless you.